Hello students, today we are talking about informatic practices for class 11th. In class 11th, our first chapter name is Computer System Overview. That means fundamental of computer. Now, introduction. First, introduction in computer. A computer is an electronic device under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data. Data is an input that processing the data according to specified rules. That means they are processing the data. ठीक है? Now produce information and store the information for future use. Because of different units work as a single unit in a computer for central objective. That's why it is a system. That is computer system. Okay, this is your computer system. Now first, that means you can input any data that computer is specified processing that inputs that your data and produce the output in your computer system. Now what is data? Data is a raw material. Data are raw numbers or other findings which by themselves are of limited value. That means then when we are providing a raw numbers, raw material in input, that is the data. What is the information? It is a data that has been converted into a meaningful and useful context. That is the information. Then computer use the raw material and give the output of meaningful information. That is the information. Any digital computer performs these functions in gross term. Now first, take data as input. Second, stores data and instructions. Third, they can process those stored data. Fourth, generate the output. And fifth, control all above steps. That means control CPU control the all above steps. This is the CPU. First you input the data that they can go into the CPU and processing here and give the output according to your data. Now next, input unit. Input unit. What is input unit? A device through which data and programs from the outside world enter the computer system. That is the input unit. Now output. A device through which results stored in the computer memory are made available outside the computer system. That means output unit. That device, they can store any type of data and give the output of you. Okay. Now input device can send data or information to a computer or another device. Now keyboard. We are talking about the input device in here. First, keyboard. It is an input device which sends data into the computer. The data sent depends on the key pressed by the user. Next, mouse. A mouse is a small handheld input device which controls a cursor in a graphical user interface. That means GUI, graphical user interface. It can move and select text, files, folders in our computer according to user input. Okay. Third is a scanner. Scanner optically reads and documents files or image and then changes it into digital signals and send to the computer. This is the work of scanner. Okay. Now next, OMR, optical mark recognition oblique reader. That means recognition and reader, optical mark reader or optical mark recognition. It is used to read mark on a document and send to the computer. Next, OCR, optical character recognition. OCR stands for optical character recognition. It is an input device which reads printed text and sent to the computer. That means what is the work of OCR? Read printed text. And OMR, read mark on a document and send them. Mark document, okay? Next, MICR, magnetic ink character reader. That is also an input device. It works generally find applications in is banks to process checks. Okay. Next time, microphone. Microphone is also input device. It receives audio generates by some input source and send the same to a computer. That means it is receive the audio inputs. Okay. Webcam, it's sent to the captured image to a computer. Now you know very well what is webcam. Next, graphic tablets. This input device is used to draw using hand. That means you can draw anything using hand. Okay. Now trackball, an upside down mouse encased within a socket is a cursor control device. Trackball is a cursor control device. That means you can move the mouse pointer with a trackball. Okay. Next, barcode reader. It is also input device. It is used to read a barcode of various items and feed the same to the computer. Okay. Next, gamepad, also known as joypad, is the input controller for video games. Okay. Now, in the last, joystick. Also, joystick is used to control video games in computer. Okay. This is your input device. Now, students, I hope students everything is clear in this class. So in the next video we are continue this class, okay, and read the next topic in computer system overview in part 2. Thank you.